Alright, this is the flight of the Hubsan Zino 2. Right, switching to video mode. Starting recording. Okay, weak GPS signal, still 10 satellites. My heading is 181 degrees in yaw, is what it's saying. 11 satellites. Almost there. There it is. And I'm going to do a hand launch again. Are you sure? Yes. There's the Zino 2. Unfortunately, I have it in feet. So, for you guys that like meters, I'll have to convert it for you. So let's get it up to 350 feet, 400 feet in height. Horizon's a little off there. Huh. Usually pretty good on the horizon. 330 feet in altitude. And there's the water lilies. Oops, overshot my height. Bring it down. So it's about 2,700 feet to the end of the lake, guys. (397 feet in height. Oops, see, put the camera way up too high. Gonna adjust headings so I don't fly over people's homes. There we are. We're now approaching 5,000 feet. So we're now at 2 kilometers away, 117 meters high. Approaching 6,000 feet. So we're over a mile, guys. Zino's now 6,300 feet. Over 2 kilometers away. Zino 2 is doing well, 7,000 feet. approaching 7,900 feet. We're now 8,000 feet. Move the camera up a little bit. Yep, still responsive. Both signals are pretty strong. Seems like the Zino's doing well, guys. 9,000 feet. So we're over 2 kilometers, guys. Signals we're over 10,000 feet now. Signal's still strong, as you can see it. FPV signal is stopped. Really wiggy. Aircraft disconnected. So it completely disconnected. And it should be coming back. Okay. Get a signal back. Returning home. The nice thing about the Zino, guys, is that you get all your telemetry on the controller. You see that right here? I'm at 3,000 meters away. So over 3 kilometers away on that flight, guys. 121 meters in height. So I'm a little higher than it should be. But it's coming back pretty fast. The FPV signal's a little choppy. And it's returning at 24 miles an hour. It says 24.6. In the upper right hand quadrant, you see the Lake Anna. In the middle quadrant, you're starting to see the lake also. We've been flying for 7 minutes and 42 seconds. And this thing is rocking. Just rocking. I just turned off the GoPro so I could save my battery. Things looking good, man. Really good. Pitched the camera up a little bit. Thing is moving, man. It was like 73% battery. So a very good range test. .6 kilometers away. 1 mile away. I always forget how to turn off that beep on this guy. And I never did notice this, but this is pretty cool. Uh-oh. Yeah, turn this alarm off. My 8 o'clock in the morning alarm. Wow, there's the lilies. Very cool. Okay, so now we're approaching 800 meters. Doing 25, 24 miles an hour. We're now under 400 meters. Okay, and there it is right there. Yep, right up above us. Down descending. Doing a good job. Spun all the way around. Coming down. Nine meters in height. And I'm going to do a hand catch again. Can you catch it? Well done, Zino. Really well done. Yeah, I'm going to go ahead and stop the recording. There it is. Well done, buddy. All right, so Zino 2. All right, so the Zino 2 got back. Man, it's got 57% battery left. Wow. Really, really good. Really good. And, I mean, it got out there over 2 miles, guys, so I have to look at all the numbers swing. But really good job. Okay. Put away the drone and get the Fimi out. The Fimi needs a ride. Put away the USB port. USB cable, I should say. pull out the Fimi